Welcome back to Business Bites with your host, Jerry Gadori. If you are like many of the founders and business leaders that I know, you're likely working harder than you need to and not achieving what you deserve. How do we solve this problem? How do we keep you from trying to push a boulder up a mountain of marbles? Quite simply, we ensure that wherever possible, we link goals, whether it be with the companies that we're prospecting into, whether it be with the clients we already have, or most importantly, whether it be with the employees on our team. So what does this concept mean, link goals? Said differently, what we're doing is we're aligning our mission, our values, and our outcomes with those people that we're interacting with. So, for example, on the employee side of the scenario we just described, when we are reaching out to folks and starting the interview process with them, we want to make sure that the things that that person is trying to achieve in their career, in their life, what their personal mission is, what their values are, what their goals are, align with not only our company, but what we're going to be having them do while they work with us. By doing that, we ensure that our victory is their victory and their victory is our victory. It doesn't make our goals the same, it makes them linked. One desirable outcome leads to another. When it comes to prospects, we need to learn what's driving that project. Is it budget? Is it time? Is it a specific type of outcome or quality that they're trying to achieve with that project or that service or that product that you're offering them? By understanding what they're trying to get out of it, we can communicate to them through that lens and ensure that what we're saying is resonating with them. When it comes to existing clients, we can structure our deals so that our outcome matches theirs, that there's an incentive available for that. So maybe, for example, using a service example, maybe if we achieve our project under a certain period of time, there's a bonus structure, there's something there so that they see that we have skin in the game. So maybe it's coming in under budget, maybe it's coming in under time, maybe it's building something a certain way or achieving, again, a certain outcome. These three examples are here to highlight what a linked goal is in your company, with your team, and your clients, and your prospects. How will you achieve a linked goal? Leave some comments down below and let's get a conversation started on how we can use this concept to be better at what we do and achieve the goals that we deserve.